नाजरीन, ये लिटरेसी मोबिलाइज़र मॉनिटर और डीटी की जॉब्स जो आई हैं उस सिलसिले में जो एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज़ आएंगे उसकी तैयारी के लिए ये दूसरी वीडियो है। तो क्वेश्चन है, मेटाफिजिक्स डील्स विद द नेचर ऑफ, इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, रियलिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, essentialists get their aim of education from, its answer is option B, traditions. Next question, naturalism rests on the idea of, its answer is option D, रोसो। रोसो ने नेचुरलिज्म का आइडिया दिया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, pragmatism rests on the idea of डेवी। pragmatism का आइडिया डेवी ने दिया था। रियलिज्म rests on the idea of एरिस्टोटल। रियलिज्म का आइडिया एरिस्टोटल ने दिया। आइडियलिज्म rests on the ideas of प्लेटो। आइडियलिज्म का जो आइडिया है वो प्लेटो ने दिया। pragma means, its answer is option B, practical. Next question, most of scientific knowledge is the result of, its answer is option A, sense perception. Next question, knowledge acquired through reasoning as a called rationalism. Next question, in intuition knowledge is acquired by, its answer is option C, inner feeling. Next question, seeking expert opinion is a source of knowledge called, its answer is option C, authority. Philosophy of education which emphasizes overlasting reality, its answer is option A, per perennialism. Next question, philosophy of education which focuses on useful culture and skill is called, its answer is option B, essentialism. Next question, life is a continuous changing process is the base of education philosophy, its answer is option C, progressivism. Next question, reforms are necessary in all walks of life is focused in reconstructionism. Next question, philosophy of education which make man responsible for his actions and experiences is called, its answer is option C, existentialism. Option A is correct. Next question, study of great books is at the core of, its answer is pre-nihilism. Next question, which one is not among major exponent of pre-nihilism, its answer is option D, John Davy. Next question, the school should be run on democratic lines is held by, option C, progressivism. So the next question, the knowledge that is related to values is called axiology. Next question, which is most important element of नॉन फॉर्मल एजुकेशन। देखिए ये अब आप क्वेश्चन आ गया नॉन फॉर्मल एजुकेशन का, इट्स आंसर ऑप्शन सी, मीडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जेन पॉल सार्टे, हेडगर गार्ड आर एसोसिएटेड विद, इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, existentialism. Next question, change in behavior through experience is called option C, learning. Next question. The term pragmatism is also sometimes is called as progressism. Option C is correct. Next question. The word pragmatism is derived from the word pragma, which means action. Next question. Education can be defined best as, its answer is option C, growth resulting from experience. Next question. According to John Davy, education is option A, learning to do by doing. Next question है, the source of educational objectives is, its answer is option B, human experiences. Next question, the primary responsibility for determining the aims of education should be, its answer is option C, society. The objectives of any school subject must, its answer is option D, the basis of content and class activities. Next question, the goal of education should be, its answer is option D, acquiring knowledge, skills, habits. The next question, the emphasis in the class should be on, its answer is option B, the needs of individual child. Next question, oh, what is the foundation of out of which comes the objectives of education? Its answer is option ए फिलोसफी। सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।